Hello everybody, this is your girl from me again, coming to you with another recipe. Today's recipe is going to be quick, fast, and straight to the point. Today we're going to be doing grilled fish. Keep in mind this is not suya fish. This is grilled fish made with fresh ingredients. You can use catfish. In this case, today I'm going to be using catfish just because of the situation going on. That's all I could lay my hands on. So you can use any fish that you wish. These are all the ingredients that we're going to be needing. All of those ingredients are going to be blended together with vegetable oil, not water, and then seasoned, and we're going to marinate overnight. We're going to need garlic. I have 3 cloves of garlic here. We need the onions. We need parsley or cilantro. This is cilantro that I have here today, but you can use parsley or any type of herbs that you like. Rosemary, thyme, fresh thyme. When I say thyme, I mean fresh thyme. We're also going to need vegetable oil. Remember I said we're going to blend everything with vegetable oil. We need the star of the show, which is the fish. In this case, I'm using catfish. You can use any fish of your choice. I usually don't use catfish, but that's all I could lay my hands on in this period. We need green peppers. We need any spicy pepper that you wish to add to it. And adjust the spice level to your own taste. I like it very spicy. We also need our spices. This is onion powder. I'm also going to be using seasoning powder. I'm going to be using dry thyme as well. And you can include any other ingredients that you wish. I'm also going to be using ginger. I'm sorry, I left that out. Ginger, fresh ginger, peeled and washed. So these are all my ingredients washed, and then I blended them with vegetable oil. Then you pour it over your fish. Make sure you split the size of the fish before you pour in your ingredients. And then afterwards, you can either use a plastic bag, foil paper, Ziploc bag, or fresh leaves. The one we used to wrap, the leaves that we used to wrap moi moi. You can use that as well. Just make sure the fish is on the side like that, and then pour all the ingredients over it, making sure that everything gets into all the corners, the mouth, inside the mouth, every corner of the fish, into the splits that you made with the knife. Make sure all the ingredients are getting into the fish, and then you wrap it up and then marinate overnight or a minimum of 1 hour. But I'm going to do mine for overnight. Make sure you wrap it tightly. Wrap it tightly. Do not leave any room for the spices to escape out of the fish. So wrap it tightly, like so. So the fish has been cooking now for a few minutes, for like 30 minutes on the grill, and as you can see, it's cooking fine. As the fish is cooking, the spices, the peppers, everything is cooking as well, so that can be used as your sauce if you wish. And this is a few minutes after, and it's done now, cooked to perfection. And I also grilled plantain on the side and made a little salad to go with it. So I'm sure you guys enjoyed today's cooking. If you have any questions, comment below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you for always supporting me. Until next time, stay blessed.